On this side you have more lights here. This is for the room, both sides. This is for the stairs, and this is for the main light in the dining room. This one does nothing, and you can also turn this on to make it nicer. Okay, here you will find glasses, mugs, bowls, sugar, coffee cups, breakfast mugs, whatever, more plates, more dishes. Here more glasses, all kind of glasses actually. And here is the iron, if you need to iron some clothes, and the squeezer. There are bags in here if you need to buy groceries to go to the supermarket. You can take the ones you need. And if you need to use a tablecloth, there are bamboo ones here. There are several. Some napkins, paper napkins here. And here we go to show how the microwave is used. Let's take this for example. Well, open. We are going to heat the milk in the morning. Okay, let me check this. You put the time here. We usually use 1.5 minutes, and then this is for a stop. Stop beeping when it finishes. If you need to defrost something, this is the button, and it's the same. Yes, hit a number, random number, and it will start. And when you finish, and that's all.